Hello and welcome to Sudha's Apparel Patterns. In this video, I will show you how to make a simple tote bag from Spoonflower Fill-A-Yard printed design swatches. These are the design swatches I have used for making my tote bag. But before I begin, I just want to give you a quick information about the printed design swatches I have used for making this tote bag. I have an online shop named AQUA Bubble Designs on Spoonflower, and I am selling these and many more designs through this shop. Spoonflower is basically an online wallpaper, home decor and fabric marketplace featuring print-on-demand products with designs created by independent artists like me all over the world. So if you want to buy these individual designs on fabric, wallpaper or home decor products, please check my shop link given in description below. Please note this video is not sponsored. But if you go to my shop link given below in the description and buy these design products, I will receive 10% royalty for every purchase you do. Spoonflower has also got some amazing sales going on, so you can feel good that your purchase not just gets discounts but also supports creatives who design these products. So do check the link given in description below, and with that said, I will now begin with the stitching of my tote bag. I have taken 18 design swatches from Spoonflower Fill-A-Yard with 6 by 6 inch size of each swatch. Join and stitch these swatches vertically with plain seam at 1 cm from edge as shown. Flatten each seam with iron. Once all the pieces are stitched and flattened vertically, then go and stitch pieces across with plain seam at 1 cm from edge. Again, flatten these seams with iron once stitched. Add an additional fabric bands at bag base with 6 inches length and total width of the stitch swatches of band above. This is how all the swatches of front and back are stitched together with an additional band attached to the bag base. Iron and attach fusible canvas to both front and back of the tote bag with the glossy side of the canvas facing the fabric swatches. Cut bag lining with same measurement as front and back of tote bag and do plain seam at 1 cm on 3 sides. For bag belts, cut 2 fabric strips with 4 inches width and length as desired or 32 inches. Fold and iron each strip lengthwise in center and place fusible canvas band with 1.5 inches width and 32 inches length on one side of the belt fold. Last, do edge machine seam to form the bag belts. Here I have stitched the tote bag on 3 sides with plain seam with printed swatches facing each other, and same way the bag lining is stitched on 3 sides with plain seam at 1 cm from edge. Both bag belts are ready with fusible canvas in between and closed with edge machine. To make box base for tote bag, pull open bag corner and stitch at 2 inches, forming a triangle on both sides of the bag base and lining base. Once the triangles are stitched, add the bag and lining base. Cut them 1 cm away from the stitch line. Turn the lining right side out and insert the lining inside the tote bag with bag and lining seam facing each other as shown. Do plain seam at 1 cm on bag top, leaving 10 to 12 centimeters open to turn the bag inside out. From the opening of 10 to 12 centimeters, turn the bag inside out and close the opening. Once the bag belts are ready, place them 4 inches inside from side seams of bag top. Fold edge of belt 1 cm in to do rectangular box stitch. Spoonflower Fill-A-Yard tote bag is now ready. These are some of the home decor, wallpaper and fabrics that are now available for purchase in my Spoonflower shop named AQUA Bubble Designs. If you wish to buy any of these printed products, then please check the link given in description below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Sudha's Apparel Patterns to watch more such videos. Until next time, happy sewing.